Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Crep shoe cleaning kit. Just so you know, there's going to be a link in the description below after the video if you want to go ahead and purchase it, or right now if you want to go down there, there's going to be a link for you to go ahead and purchase it. It's going to be the very first link. If you want to give this as a gift, or if you're getting this for yourself, I made it very easy. You can go ahead and get it down below. Okay, so without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right into it. Today I'm going to be cleaning my Adidas. They're white, so they need to be cleaned very frequently. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. First thing I like to do is pretty much take off these laces of the shoe so that I can really get in there. Alright, so once you've got those off, you're going to set them aside. And you're going to go ahead and open up this shoe cleaning kit. I've used this a couple of times and I highly recommend it. It's very simple to use. Comes with a few things. You're gonna get this brush, this shampoo type of shoe cleaner. You're gonna get a cloth like that, and you're gonna get a little container like this. This container, which you're gonna fill up just a tad bit with water. That's enough. And really, with this cleaner, you're just gonna want to grab this concentrated shoe cleaner solution, and you're going to put a couple drips in there is enough. Then I put more than enough there, so this will last you for a good amount of time. Next, you're just going to go ahead and mix that in there until you get to see a little bit of bubbles. In my opinion, that's what I usually do. Until there's bubbles. Don't put a whole lot of water, it's just a little bit, just to get this soaked up. You're going to put this aside. You're going to grab your shoe. Of course, there's no one way of doing this, but at the end of the day, you're going to come out with a clean shoe. And of course, once you're done with this, I even get the bottom here usually. Of course, when you're done with this, you're going to leave these to dry. So unless you have another quicker way, you can throw them in the dryer or something. It's up to you if you want to wash these, throw these in the washer after, but this is really going to get everything out. Okay, so you're just cleaning it off, and both sides just scrub as much as possible, you know, especially obviously where you see that it's dirty, and it's going to be pretty wet. So once you're done with that, you're going to put your brush aside, you're going to grab your towel, and you're just going to wipe it down. This is meant to kind of just, you know, take off the excess moisture. That's really what it is. So there, as you see there, you can see the difference. This one is dirty. The one next to it is not. And there's a very obvious difference there between the two. See this one here? Now, I could have gone a little longer on it. This is just briefly me just touching it up, and it's cleaning off all of that. Especially if you have white shoes like these, if you got the new Adidas, you're gonna really want to have a good shoe cleaner. And this is something that you don't have to do all the time. It's once in a while, and instead of throwing them in the washer all the time, you know, you can just go ahead and do it yourself, and it works really well. It gets all the stains out, and you don't really have to worry about messing up your shoes. So I'll do it to this one really quick again. So you see, you really get it wet, get a lot on there, and just really try to scrub out all the junk. You can see there, right there, you really want to get it foamed up, and you don't want to put too much water, but you want a decent amount on there as well. And you want to make sure that you're cleaning the whole shoe. And it's nice to have white shoes, but if you don't take care of them, they don't look so nice. Okay, so and then after that, you just boom, just like that. You're really just wiping them off, and then after this, I would leave them to dry for about 24 hours. That's about it. That's all you got to do there. So this is the shoe cleaner kit. Shoe cleaner kit that I highly recommend. It's the Crep shoe cleaner. And again, there's a link in the description below if you wanted to go ahead and purchase your own. I highly recommend that. Or if you're giving it as a gift, right now is the holiday season or past the holiday season, this is something that's just really convenient. You don't have to wait until you're doing laundry, or you don't have to go to some other place, or you can just do it yourself. It's a very inexpensive thing to have. This little bottle here, I'm not gonna run out of this anytime soon. I mean, that's gonna last you a couple years. So there you go. There's my review for the Crep cleaning shoe cleaning kit. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then I'll go ahead and comment below. And if you're wanting to buy one, again, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.